Hi, it's Rob. Okay, so we've in the video 4 of the image training course, and this I'm going to just talk to you about screen capture tool. Now, be very careful that you're allowed to use the images that you capture with your screen capture tool. It's a little bit too easy to find somebody's website and pinch a picture off of their website. You can get sued. Okay, but let's say here I'm in Google Earth and you're busy with it doesn't matter, story about Niagara Falls, and you want to take a picture of it like this. I've got a tool, if you look, it pops up here, and it does a bunch of stuff. So I can capture a square region, right? And then I can then use this to do labels and arrows and all sorts of things, add text buttons that say just start typing here. So let's agree to that, and then that's what it'll look like. So obviously I then find it's very badly placed, and it came with its own little arrow. That's all cool, and bingo, I've now got a thing that I'd save it. Still not right. Sorry, I really should stop messing around. I'm just trying to show you the tool. So screen capture is cool, and then you'd save it to your desktop, but it's a little bit too easy to go and capture somebody's website here. So let me close Google Earth, and let's say here I'm on TechSmith. Am I allowed to just pitch up here and capture this part of their screen? I doubt it. Where'd it go? There we go. So I doubt it. So take care. Of course, this would really, would they even know that? No. But so you need to know that it can be done. Now, you do have the function somewhere in your computer, and I've never used it. It's up there. It says, hell, it's on your screen, F10 or something. I don't know where it is. I've never used it. And you can do screen capture. I use a shampoo. I used to love them because they never gave me any trouble, and then they gave me trouble last year, and I've been really irritated with them. And let that be a lesson. I'm a very friendly, laughy person. You'll hear it, but don't mess me around. Basically, I've paid for this, the full series of this. And then my computer died. It got stolen. The first time it died, they gave me a new license. No arguments. And then a couple of years later, it got stolen. Now I still believe, I don't care if it's the old version. So I went, anyway, I've got problems with these guys. So, but a shampoo, they're good enough. Don't let my upset you. Now TechSmith have a very cool one, but of course it costs money. Yeah, they've got a free trial. And then you have to pay somewhere down the line. I see they're clever there until you have pricing. My bad. Okay, so, and it's not expensive if I remember correctly, and it's only worth paying for if you're going to do it. Well, there we go, one-time fee. So it's okay. Now this is exactly what I complained about. Now in 3 years' time, when I say, oh, and they say, oh no, we don't do that version anymore, man. Sorry, I'm complaining again. So if you searched for free screen capture tools, you might find them. I'm happy enough with that one. So that's it with my screen capture. Sorry, let me just say this. What I do like about it is I can take an image part of something. This is dangerous because these are, so let's just go to any page. So now it's a Google page. It's probably safe enough to capture that. I can capture this portion and immediately use it as a real image, and that I do all the time. I absolutely use this all the time. I use it to crop images. There's a couple of gremlins, by the way. It actually saves it with all of this evilness here, and even this drop shadow. So I then take it into another video and crop it, but it's all cool. What I like about it is that it's very easy for me to do this, and I use it in my training. So that's where I showed you the arrow. So I could come along here and say use surfer, and then talk about it. I even Used it once. Let me go and see on a client website. It doesn't matter. I won't show you. It's a client website. I shouldn't. But I used the curvy images. Yeah, the curvy arrows. And there we go. They want me to pay. You see, this is what I was complaining. Upgrade. Really? No thanks. I paid long ago. Sorry. So yeah, there's lots of things that make screen capture cool. Is it a hugely important thing in your system? Perhaps not. You've got to decide what and how you want to use it, but it is a nice handy tool to have. And as I said, there probably are other ones, free ones, that you don't need to just do a quick free trial. I know that the Snap one, the Ashampoo one, I happen to know that they do once a year offer a free, like a whole, like a light version of it, and it's forever, you know. Okay, so let me get on to the next video, which is going to be where to get paid images. Catch you in the next video. Cheers.